So we're on another super early morning Honda adventure. Found a rear seat for the CRX up in Pennsylvania. Got up super early, made the 90-mile drive. They gave me an address for a Sheetz. I typed in road instead of avenue. Got here about an hour before, figured I would look up antique places to go to or stuff I could do, you know, while I was wasting the time. I was getting ready to message them that I was there, you know, take your time, come whenever, and realized I pulled up to not a Sheetz, which is where they said we could meet. Looked back at the messaging and realized I typed road, not avenue, which is hilarious, but small town Pennsylvania driving is phenomenal. And I'm still going to be early by the time I get to the actual meetup Sheetz. So Facebook Marketplace Adventures, always the best, always fun. And yeah, so I'll show you the seat, and hopefully we can get it installed in the next day or two and flex the old JDM back seat that's almost unusable. So the deal is done. There's the seat. Got the seat belts with the brackets and all the hardware's in there. There's the seat back. So pretty stoked. Very cool couple. Said he blew up the motor in his race car. I asked him, did he have the car that goes with the back seat? Said he sold it 7 years ago, took the back seat out. So the back seats are a flex. Stupid, dumb, as every car thing is. I don't even know if I could fit in that back seat. So, but whatever, it's fun. Facebook Marketplace Adventures. So yeah, I'm gonna look up a antique place or something, or just start driving home. But that's gonna be fun to install. I'm still on vacation for another week, but I wanted to put out a little video. If you have any tips on installing this seat in a US CRX, leave some comments. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Let me know what you think.